Ever seen a hippo with a sunburn? This one's using a secret, natural sunscreen, and it's bright red. This isn't blood. It's a special secretion scientists call blood sweat. It's the hippo's own built-in sunscreen. It's a 2-in-1 shield. It blocks harmful UV rays and has powerful antibacterial properties to keep the skin healthy. Perfect for a life spent half in and half out of the scorching African sun. From sunscreen to self-defense, nature has some of the most unique tricks up its sleeve. If you love learning about the wonders of the natural world, hit that subscribe button for more.